Good evening, Miss Michael's class. My name is Tommy Young, and I'm a first and second grade teacher at Waitsfield Elementary School in Waitsfield, Vermont. We're located in the central part of Vermont, in the mountains, the Green Mountains, and we live in a ski area. So we get lots of snow, and we have a beautiful valley and a really nice river that goes through our town. I'm writing because my students in first and second grade are starting a project this year. I love to travel, and I love teaching kids about global education and allowing them to think beyond the places that they live. With all the stuff going on in the world, we can't travel right now. We're kind of all here in Vermont. We're lucky. We live in a vacation spot, so we're enjoying it. But we can't go see other places. So this summer it got me thinking, how can I still allow my kids to see other places? So what I've decided to do is ask that people send information from the state they live in. We're going to start in Vermont and then move to the New England states, but my kids will travel each week. And it's kind of fun because we've made them a passport and they're going to get the state flag on their passport and the state seal through stickers, but then they'll also like document something from their journey to each state. So each week we'll go to a new state, and we really can't wait to hear about Illinois. So what we hope you could do is send us a video, just talking about something you love doing in your state or something interesting about your state. It could be a thing that happens across the state. It could be something that just happens in your town. It could be a tradition that, some do in their state or your school does. Anything that you want to share about living in Illinois that you think first and second graders in Vermont should learn about. So I hope this video helps. I can't wait to see what you send to us, and I really appreciate you doing this for our class. I hope you all have a great year. We are learning remotely a little bit too. We also have half my class comes 2 days a week, and then the other half comes another 2 days a week, and then our Wednesdays we're fully remote. And if we keep it up, hopefully we can continue that model for the year. But I know you guys are doing remote learning right now, so um, thank you again for taking the time to do this, and I can't wait to see what is sent to us. Have a great evening.